Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Let's troubleshoot and find the solution to get your car moving smoothly. Consulting a certified mechanic. Consulting a certified mechanic is the first step towards resolving the problem of your car not moving despite pressing the gas pedal. These experts have the training and skills to identify the root cause of the issue accurately. Certified mechanics undergo extensive training and have a deep understanding of automotive systems. By consulting a mechanic, you can benefit from their in-depth knowledge and experience in diagnosing and fixing car issues promptly. Diagnostic tools used by mechanics. Certified mechanics utilize a range of diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact cause of your car's malfunction. These tools include onboard diagnostics, OBD, scanners, multimeters, and pressure gauges, among others. By utilizing these advanced diagnostic tools, mechanics can conduct thorough inspections and detect any underlying issues that may be affecting your vehicle's performance. This meticulous approach ensures that the problem is identified accurately, allowing for precise repairs to be carried out efficiently. Entrusting the assessment of your car to a certified mechanic is the most effective way to address the issue of your car not moving when you step on the gas pedal. Their expertise and diagnostic tools enable them to provide a comprehensive evaluation and precise solutions, ensuring that your vehicle gets back on the road in optimal condition. Costs involved in repairing the issue. When it comes to addressing why your car is not moving despite stepping on the gas pedal, understanding the potential costs involved in repairing the issue is crucial. Let's see the average costs for common repairs associated with this problem. Average costs for common repairs. Fuel system check. Typically, a thorough inspection of your car's fuel system can cost between $50 to $200. This includes checking the fuel pump, fuel filter, and fuel injectors for any potential issues that may be hindering the flow of fuel to the engine. Transmission troubleshooting. If the problem lies within the transmission system, you might be looking at a repair cost ranging from $150 to $900, depending on the extent of the issue. A faulty transmission can significantly impact your car's ability to accelerate properly. Spark plug replacement. In many cases, a simple spark plug replacement can resolve the issue of a car not moving when you step on the gas pedal. This repair typically costs between $100 to $300, including labor expenses. Engine diagnostics. Diagnosing the root cause of the problem through engine diagnostics can range from $80 to $150. Identifying any underlying issues affecting the engine's performance is crucial in determining the appropriate repair solution. Throttle body repair. Issues with the throttle body can lead to acceleration problems. Repairing or replacing the throttle body may cost anywhere from $200 to $600, depending on the make and model of your vehicle. Understanding these average costs for common repairs can give you a clearer picture of what to expect when addressing the issue of your car not moving as expected when you press the gas pedal. Prioritizing timely repairs can prevent further damage and ensure your vehicle's optimal performance on the road. Preventative measures to avoid similar problems. Car troubles can be a major inconvenience, but taking some preventative measures can help you avoid common issues that may arise with your vehicle. By staying on top of regular maintenance and adopting good driving habits, you can prevent your car from experiencing problems that may cause it not to move when you step on the gas pedal. Regular maintenance tips. Scheduled inspections. Regularly check and maintain your vehicle's essential components, such as the engine, brakes, transmission, and fluid levels. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can help prevent unexpected breakdowns. Oil changes. Ensuring your car's engine has clean oil at the recommended intervals can improve engine performance and longevity. Dirty oil can cause engine components to wear out faster, leading to potential issues with acceleration. Tire maintenance. Proper tire pressure and tread depth are crucial for safety and performance. Underinflated tires can increase rolling resistance, affecting fuel efficiency and acceleration, while bald tires can lead to poor traction and handling. Battery health. Regularly inspect your car's battery for signs of corrosion or wear. A weak or failing battery can disrupt the electrical system, affecting the car's ability to start and operate smoothly. Driving habits that help prevent issues. Smooth acceleration. Avoid sudden acceleration or harsh braking, as these actions can strain your vehicle's components and reduce overall efficiency. Gradual acceleration and deceleration are key to maintaining your car's health. Warm up your engine. Before hitting the road, allow your engine to warm up for a few minutes, especially in cold weather. This practice helps distribute oil throughout the engine and prepares it for optimal performance. Avoid overloading. Be mindful of your car's weight limits and avoid overloading it with excessive cargo or passengers. Overloading can put unnecessary stress on the engine, transmission, and suspension, affecting acceleration and overall driving performance. By incorporating these preventative measures into your car care routine, you can reduce the likelihood of encountering issues that may prevent your car from moving as expected when you press the gas pedal. Remember, proactive maintenance and safe driving practices are key to keeping your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Checking why your car doesn't move when you step on the gas is crucial. It could be a simple fix or a sign of a serious problem. Knowing the common issues, like fuel system troubles or transmission problems, gives you a head start. Always get a professional inspection if you're unsure. Ignoring the problem can lead to more damage. Whether it's a small adjustment or a major repair, addressing the issue early saves time and money. Keep your car running smoothly by staying on top of regular maintenance. This ensures better performance and fewer surprises on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.